A quick tutorial on how to create icons in your navbar for your bookmarks. All right, so here is your navbar for your bookmarks. If you do know how to make a bookmark, you simply want to select the star and it will land in your bookmark navbar. If your bookmark navbar is not showing, go all the way over to the right, select the menu bar, select bookmarks, and then select Show Bookmarks. There should be a check beside that, and that will allow you to see the menu bar here. Now, we're talking about the icons for the bookmarks. We want more bookmark pages visible, and we also want to customize this bookmark page. So to do that, we're going to right-click on the bookmark tab. All right, so you simply right-click on it, and it brings up this menu bar. From here, you select Edit. In the name cell, what you want to do is you want to delete that. Just take it out. All right, and then you want to hit Save. All right, and you'll notice now all I have is an icon showing in my nav bar. Now, why do I want that? It's going to tighten it up and it allows me to personalize it as well. Now, one thing I do like about personalizing things is that you can use emojis for your icons. And so here I'm going to, if you're on a Mac, you want to hit the Control and Edit, but if not, you click on the tab itself, right click if you're on a PC. I'm going to delete that text that's in the name cell. I'm going to paste my emoji right in there and hit Save. All right. And I click on this little icon, my emoji, and it brings me right to my page. All right, so that is how you can customize your bookmark nav bar with icons. Hope this was helpful.